Hi, this is Ron Belch with Throughput Bluestreak Bright AM, and I'm here with Doug McClure, who works at the Additive Technology Center in Westchester, Ohio. They're using our software to run their production facility. So how you doing, Doug?
Very good, Ron. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, tell them what you guys are doing with it.
Yeah, it's really exciting. So I work in a facility that does tens of thousands of unique parts, every year. And tracking those parts, managing those parts daily is an operation that takes a good system, quite frankly. And so we've been very, very happy with what Bluestreak has provided us so far, and its ability to know what's going on daily in our facility.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
You're implementing it right now in Munich, Germany. It's already in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, that's right. All over the
other
world.
facilities.
Yeah, it's global.
And you guys have been a joy to work with. You're one of the companies that gets it, that kind of understands how it works and how you can use it in your operations.
And we definitely put it to the test every day.
Oh, yeah.
We challenge it, and so we would not use a system that was not a good system. So we definitely have enjoyed the relationship as well.